CrowdStrike attack, what's going on out there, why everything is blue, and how this affects the crypto markets. You want to know everything about that, the last information about Bitcoin? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Ornido, your host for the most. We were so happy in the last Crypto News as Bitcoin was 24% up, but today we see that we went down. And why is that? Well, mostly, I believe, because of this new variable right now that we have this CrowdStrike attack, things like this. We're still trying to find information, but we know for sure that we have blue screens out there. Microsoft Windows is affected, AZURE is affected. So everybody's mocking right now on Twitter. Bill Gates, if I had a nickel, everything Windows crashed. Oh wait, he has already, of course. Here you can see the guy just having fun with some water as everybody is out there just freaking out because of the collapse. And this guy from Sky News explained us what happened. The idea mostly is that there are some companies that rely on this thing called CrowdStrike. I asked Jimmy in advance, and he's telling me that this is a cyber safety company, and so many companies out there will use this cyber safety company. They had an update, and when they updated it, it seems that they have kind of malware. It's not sure right now. This is an attack. This is a malware. This is a virus. Any case, it won't work. It would affect Microsoft Azure. It would affect companies all over the world. So right now they are working on fixing this. But as they succeed on fixing it, well, we have this situation right now. And you can see that some supermarkets out there won't work because they are using this. And mostly, this is difficult for people that were going on vacation, as planes, for example, in Spain, those are affected because of this. Banks, airlines, and even the London Stock Exchange are reporting technical glitches after Microsoft reported an outage across into online services. The European markets open lower amid computer outages globally. You can read it on MarketWatch. And we have here the chart. And we are following here IBEX 35, the Spanish one. And you can see in this 5-minute chart, we started okay, but we went down because of this and then recovering. Here in the 30-minute chart, it's amazing this drop, but then it recovered. The same for Bitcoin. So we wonder if this will affect American market today or not. Remember that Bitcoin is trading all the time 24/7. That's why it's affected for good or for bad always. And as we are talking about the stock market, Bob Lucas here with this chart saying that we might be in day 30 of 40 daily cycle peak for stocks, likely here. These are short-term resetting events in a larger uptrend. A larger degree weekly cycle top is more likely to come from the next daily cycle. So we'll see about that. When dollar is going up, breaking this line, this is not good. We want it to go lower. We'll see for Bitcoin. Now retesting this line. Very good one according to Crypto Rover. We'll see if it's enough. We're still greedy today, but we have some bad news. Of course, the CME gaps keeps on being not filled. That's not good. Remember, we told you in previous videos, we might go to 44,600. We'll see about that. And the main reason for that could be not a hack, not some trouble on Windows or a crypto safety company, but empty GOX. Even though here, Kylie is mocking the thing, saying that you should be terrified of the empty GOX cell size because it's this big. So pretty small, of course. And also consider that then FTX creditors will have their Bitcoin back. Actually, they will have fiat back, 16 billions, and they might buy more Bitcoin. So that would be a good one. We'll see. if July finally is a 2 digits profit green month or not. We told you about that in previous videos, where we are considering that maybe the bull market is still alive, as Bitcoin is printing in the monthly a bullish doji candle, which is good. We had that one here, and then we started going up again. So again, watch previous videos if you want more information about that. Remember, we told you how we might go in December to $158,000 because of these moving averages, but also because we have the inflows for the ETFs again in the positive. Just spot balances for those ETFs have hit a new all-time high of more than 900,000 Bitcoin. Consider that Bitcoin ETFs had already 2.06 billion net inflows in July. And here you have BlackRock that bought 1,600 Bitcoin. Just yesterday, they bought 18,600 Bitcoin since the beginning of July, when we have only 8,100 new Bitcoin mined. So sure, that's important for liquidity crisis to come. BlackRock IBIT purchased over 1 billion worth of Bitcoin this month. Now we talk about fiat. That's 41 days of supply in 18 days. And here you have this video where you can see how BlackRock and Fidelity and others, those are buying all the Bitcoin out there like crazy. And this is not slowing down. So in the future, where are they going to buy the Bitcoin, the remaining one? Crazy to see how hungry they are about Bitcoin. This is just amazing to watch. And we have more good news. The conference, the biggest Bitcoin conference in history, is only 1 week away. We're going to have there Donald Trump. Remember, Donald Trump is pro-crypto right now, and people consider he might announce a strategic Bitcoin reserve policy for United States at that conference. Donald Trump said China is into it, it's not going away. We will ensure that the future of Bitcoin and crypto will be made in America, and I don't want to be responsible for another country taking over this sphere. So maybe if Trump announced this strategic reserve plan, price for Bitcoin will go to $1 million. Why not? Trump is so bullish on crypto right now. Here, Quinton telling us that if Trump announced this strategic reserve next week, well, the price might go crazy up. Even Hulk Hogan just ripped his shirt off on stage because of Donald Trump and that Bitcoin fever. Crazy things. And also consider that maybe Donald Trump is going to make Jamie Dimon Secretary of the Treasury and may order him to add Bitcoin into the United States balance sheet. This is an hypocrisy. This is crazy. When Jamie Dimon in 2017 said Bitcoin is a pet rock, and now 2024 we listen, I've changed my tune on Bitcoin, sure enough, because of the president. And also, US presidential candidate Robert Kennedy Jr. announced a plan for backing US dollar with Bitcoin. This is something that Trump may do too. Use a basket with gold, Bitcoin, and some other assets in order to try to save the economy. Why not? Also, maybe we get rid of this Elizabeth Warren, U.S. Senator. Remember that Winklevoss twins donated 60 Bitcoin worth $1 million to pro-Bitcoin candidate. I'm into and seat Elizabeth Warren as a U.S. Senator. That's also amazing. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said Bitcoin has staying power. This is also important. When China is selling more U.S. treasuries in May than ever before with $43 billion. So not good for dollar. When the world's largest bank in China, ICBC, said Bitcoin solves gold's problem of divisibility and being inconvenient to carry. So everybody now is into Bitcoin, and you have here all these arguments and more sum up Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs, institutions staking, most successful ETF launch in history, Trump endorsing Bitcoin, pro-Bitcoin vice president to be, Michael Dell hitting on Bitcoin, Larry Fink bullish on Bitcoin, Jamie Dimon changing view on Bitcoin, rumors on Bitcoin strategic reserve. Imagine just one of these things happening in 2017 would be world news. Today, almost the entire world sleeps on the news. We are so early. I believe that too. Remember that in September we might have rate cuts in the United States. Now the odds are, according to experts, 90%. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but we are happy and we believe Bitcoin can do something like this. I told you in previous videos, watch them all. We have this cross for moving average we had 8 years ago, and you can see what happened at that point in 2016. So we might go up only now, maybe in a banana, in a parabolic curve. We might be there in base 4 right now or not. Also consider that we bounce in this middle part of the parallel channel, now in the top of it. So we'll see in further videos. Remember to smash the like button and share this video with your friends. Ethereum also trying to break this resistance here right now. We'll see if we are going to do the same with it here. We have this new parabolic trend. So we'll see if this is the case for Ethereum when we are waiting for those ETFs to be approved, like this guy there. But now we know that those may be true on July the 23rd. So yeah, one more week. We have to wait for them. Those ETFs are set for launch. And now we have some expectations, predictions on how much money is going to flow into these ETFs, and experts estimate that for Ethereum ETFs, they can have a range between 25 to 33% of Bitcoin ETF volume. We'll see about that. Also remember, we might have an Ethereum supply crisis looming because the exchange balances is down to 10.2%, while 39.3% of Ethereum is locked in smart contracts. Also, extremely bullish that the Grayscale Ethereum Trust is now trading at premium. This is a good one. The market is mostly in the red right now, even though we have all this good news. You can follow them, of course, on dextools.io. And they have now this new feature, new feature alert. They added a pause button to their trade history. So you can now pass to track easily your trade history without being bothered by new transactions. So you ask them to improve things and they do it. Now you can take control of your trade history tab. Nice for Dex Tools. And we are going to be with Frederic Fernandez. Thank you for your retweet at Blog Galicia 13-14 September. And we have two more people talking there. Jesus Lorente, our friend from CL Crypto, and Javier Pastor Moreno. They will be there with some other great speakers. We will be there too. So I will give you more information about this. And do not miss this year, 13-14 September, Blog Galicia, of course. Thank you to our partners on dextools.io, and of course to our partners on Trezor with the Trezor Save 5 link in the description below. Buy it, use Dextools, and use coin tracking. You have a 10% discount if you use the link in the description below to track your portfolio, your millions and millions and millions, like this demo account, of course. And it's just time for our cat, so smart, because it's learning everything about crypto, ready for the bull market, ready for the bear market, just ready for everything, because it's learning all the time about AI with our AI channel, AI News, and of course about crypto with these videos here. CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!